Alright, here we are on another beautiful day in Montreal, and I'm going for a run with Snow. Yeah, she's all ready and I'm all ready, and I'm planning to do a 10-kilometer run today, so I'm gonna be covering the entire old port and some more. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, if you guys think my videos are interesting and deserve a subscribe, please subscribe. That'll support the channel and it'll make me happy. So yeah, thank you very much if you're subscribing. Otherwise, either way, thank you very much. So yeah, I have to stop for Snow to do her business. Yeah, it's not bad today. There's a lot of wind. There's a lot of wind against me, so it's gonna be hard when I go down, but I hope it'll be easier when I come back. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, I'm almost at Old Port, but I just wanted to show you guys the view behind me, the city view. Yeah, you can see the hospitals and all the buildings are behind it. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me because there's a lot of wind, but as you can see from my hair, it's all messy. I just wanna show you guys the new harbor. The old port is the new harbor. It's way over there, and here is the old port where the harbor was used to be. Yeah, I mean the river is flowing nicely. No more ice. All the ice has melted. Yeah, it's summer is coming. Yeah. Alright, let's continue the run. Okay, so I'm at the 4-kilometer mark. I'm gonna go another kilometer that way, and then I'm gonna turn back to go home. Then it'll be 10 kilometers. Going that way is not easy because the wind is against me, so it's like it's pushing me back, so it's a lot tiring. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm at my halfway mark. 5 kilometers are done, so and then I'm gonna turn back and go the other way, go home. Okay, this is one of the rich neighborhoods in Montreal. So you can see from my behind, beautiful apartments with a beautiful view of the canal and some other not so beautiful views. Yeah, I mean in summer it's beautiful because this whole place is like filled with water. Water activities are going on, so it's pretty. Yeah. And by the way, I'm done with 5 kilometers, and then I'm gonna head back. I know my hair is going crazy because of the wind. Yeah. The snow is enjoying as well. Yeah. Look now. Oh, good girl. Here. Here, look. Here. Look. Okay. I'm approaching on 7 kilometers. And snow lost one boot. So I had to go back and find it. I found it, so she's good now. Yeah. Yeah, so alright, I'm at 8.3 kilometer mark. I have 1.7 kilometers to go. Almost done. Super tired because of the wind. It's making me more tired than usual. Yeah, I think you can hear it. Yeah. We'll see. It's not a good fit for a video, but still, I did my 10k. I guess I will do my 10k. Okay, I'm almost done. I have 200 meters to go. Yeah, I did 10 kilometers. So yeah, I'll see you guys with another running video or a vlog in Montreal. So see you guys.